play itself out over the years. Many people are going to appreciate your contribution within the political spectrum over the years. I can guess and say in the next coming elections, many people will realize what you have done. Some, for them, it will be a damage. Some, it will be a high political contribution. Mr. Floyd Shivambu, you may not be aware, but you have actually successfully broken the Malema spell. And I don't think these are things you do intentionally. It's just the power you have. You have broken the Malema spell. And you have went over to break the Zuma spell. For the first time in my life, I'm a witness. I can tell you for free that for the first time, I do not agree with Zuma and his family as a whole. I used to love that family unconditionally, regardless of their weaknesses. I used to protect them because I was looking at the larger perspective than the few battles that we are facing on the ground. Right? I used to love them from my days of the ANC Youth League. Of course, many of you do not know that I have a political background because I never made it to upper structures, but I do have some little bit of political background. From the times of Polokwane, pre-Polokwane, when he was facing cases, I supported Zuma through and through, up until now, when you were removed as Secretary General. For the first time in my life, I took a decision within a split second that if Floyd happens to open a political party, I'm going to vote for that political party, regardless of the name. So my brother, you have been called by Amadlozi to break the spells. Whatever decisions you've made from moving from the EFF to the MK, many people will say, no, you've made a premature decision, you have fumbled, but when you are being used, you are just a vessel. Everything will play itself out. Everything will fall into place like a puzzle. Okay? Everything will fall in place like a puzzle. Many people will appreciate your contribution. Some, they will realize the damage you have done in their lives, but it's still early to tell. Because many people are still surrounded by their own shadows. They cannot see beyond their own shadows of being worshipped, of being followed like a cult. But you have broken the cult of the EFF. I can tell you for free, the party that you are going to form, there are going to be members who are currently remaining in the EFF, are not happy with the current leader, that are going to come and join you in that party. There are going to be ANC members that are going to join this party. There are going to be MK members that are going to join this party. And you will break even this thing of ethnicity, because we are going to vote for whatever party we are going to form, irregardless of its leader, whether you are from Limpopo or wherever. So you have successfully broken the spell of these two big political giants in South Africa without you being aware. There are many people who are going to, like me, for the first time, realize that this Zuma thing era has come to an end and the Malema era has come to an end. Some are going to be in denial, they are going to join later, of course, but it is already happening. And the next coming election, that's when they are going to realize the damage that you have actually caused by being in their midst. But we, as the people of South Africa, are going to appreciate the contribution within the political spectrum. I'm not a member of MK, but I voted for MK. Without questioning myself, the moment Zuma announced that party, I knew I was going to vote. That's how much loyalty we had for Zuma. You understand? We did not question, we did not ponder upon it. We knew that we were going to vote for MK, and we voted for MK as such. But fun enough, I never became a member, even when I was recruited. I never signed a form. It's not that I was skeptical, but I believe Idlozi was waiting for such a moment, because they knew that there's going to be a new force that is going to come, a very young force that is going to come and emerge, and that is going to be the real political part. In other words, MK was a model of what is to come. And you, Mr. Floyd, are what is to come. That is why I never joined, because I never understood personally why I never joined MK. Why I never spoke out publicly. Why I never bought the regalia to show solidarity. But your political party, I might just join it. For the first time, I might come back in politics and join your political party and actually participate within the revolution, to bring about the revolution. So, Mr. Floyd, these are also words of encouragement that since you're pondering about opening a political party, we're going to support you. Regardless of language barrier, we're going to support you because we understand your ideologies. Your coming into MK changed everything. There was a shift. There was a spiritual shift when you came into MK. All eyes were on you. And we moved away from Ubaba as much as we loved him, and we still love him together with his flaws. But there was a serious spiritual shift when you came into MK. And we appreciate the administrative structuring ability that you have. So don't worry about popularity and populism. You are bringing about a force that will influence people to move beyond who is popular, who can speak well, who can be listened to, who has more charisma, who makes people smile, to voting for a party that is sound politically. A party that is sound administratively. We voted for MK, knowing very well that administratively they were very weak until you came. Right? Because it was the love that we had for Rubaba, and we knew his ideas are revolutionary. But what is happening now, I don't want to get involved, but I can tell you for free that we know that whatever party you are going to form, administratively it is going to be very strong. And that's what we want, because we know that where there's proper administration, that's when programs of actions are actually executed. And as such, Mr. Floyd, that's what we're going to vote for. We're not going to vote for the fact that you look better than Malema, you look better than Ubaba, your family is popular, or whatsoever. You are intimidating, you are not intimidated. No, we're going to vote because of your sound politics. The articles are not in vain. The articles that you've been writing, organizational within the MK, the letters you've been writing within the EFF, they are there because the internet does not forget. And many people will remember, and they will read, and they will connect with your sound politics, and they are going to take a right decision, and they are going to vote for whatever political party that you have in mind. So trust me, this is a spiritual move. Don't weigh dynamics too much. Just start this political party and the rest shall follow.